Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good. I just wanted to record this quick video for you guys. A few days back, I shared this landscape sheet with you on the LinkedIn. I just wanted to record a quick video to show you how we can create this sheet and how we can use this sheet to find the keywords on which the competitors are ranking and take database decisions. So without any further delay, let me show you how we'll be creating this sheet, how you can basically create the sheet and how we can find the keywords here. So starting from the first cell here, this is just the placeholder for the image. You need to insert the image of your product here. Then the name of your product, the date, and your name will be coming here. Since this is not a video on how we'll be finding or researching the competitors, you first need to research the competitors and get their essence. Once you have a list of essence, in my case, I have 8 number of essence of my competitors. So what I'll do, there's a quick hack. You'll be copying all of these essence. Come over here on the Amazon, search all of these essence and separated by basically this vertical bar. So what this will do is you will be getting the list of all 8 products only in the search results on Amazon. By this, you can simply run the X-ray tool and get information for only of these 8 products. Isn't that interesting, right? So you get only the information for all of these 8 products. You simply need to download this and open the report in Google Sheets or maybe in Microsoft Excel. Just hit copy and paste the brand name from the report, the title, reviews, rating, price, BSR, and monthly sales from the report, from the X-ray report that you just downloaded. There are some of the formulas here, so you do not need to put anything here. This is also the formula. And finally, the age, you can find the age in the report from the X-ray that you just downloaded. So the images, basically the images, you do not need to put any image here as well. And I have used some of the formulas that uses basically the that it basically finds the images. You still need to put the formula here, right? I'm not sure, like actually I optimized the sheet and shared with you guys. So you need to check if if the one that I shared with you already had formulas in there. So you need to check with that. Otherwise, you need to put the URL of your main competitor's main image here, and it will fetch the image. So that's not a big deal. And I put the link of my products just for a quick access. So we are good with this. And now let's come to the keyword section. So how did I find and create this part here? So you need to copy all of these essence, put all of these essence in a Cerebro, hit the get keywords, and you will be getting a list of keywords. In my case, I got 7,668 number of keywords. I can put the minimum search volume at, let's say, maybe 10 as the minimum number of search volume, and then export the data into the Excel sheet. You'll be seeing that I already have this in the Excel format, and I just put a filter here. You can do this in the tool, in the black box tool, as not in the black box, but in the Cerebro tool as well. But I did it here. I simply excluded the ones with the dash and the blank search volume. So I get a list of keywords here, their search volume, the number of competing products that I'll be needing for the sheet, the position rank. This is for the first product. So if you'll see this first product, this first SN ending at BF, this is the organic rankings for the first product, and all of these are the other products. So I just simply need to copy all of the data from there, put it here. You may still need to remove the filters, remove all of the filters, and then you will see that there are thousands of keywords here, right? Many of the keywords, on many of the keywords, none of our competitors are ranking, so these will be excluded when we'll be putting the filters here. So you need to remove all of these keywords here, copy the keywords that you just downloaded from the Cerebro, copy everything, like copy the keywords, then the search volume, the competing products. The competing products are same as the results here. In your sheet, the version that I shared with you, I think I optimized that and fixed some of the column names, and I put some of the colors just to make it easier for you to understand. But yeah, so you need to put the exact search volume there, and then finally the ranking. So this is the organic rank on which these competitors are ranking. Let's come to this. You would see that this is a formula and this is a formula as well. You do not need to edit this thing. This basically tells you how many number of keywords there are after you put the filters, right? There are 70 number of keywords, and the sum of total exact search volume for that number of keywords. So let's say if you would see that for these 17 keywords, the sum of search volume is 12,698, and this is the same as this one. And the relevant positions, we need to put this number here for the filter purposes, the minimum search volume that I need for all of these keywords, and the monthly search volume, sorry, monthly sales. So how do we calculate this? Let me tell you how this is calculated, and then I'm coming to this one. So the individual contribution basically tells you that out of this 17 keywords, the contribution of this keyword, this takes the search volume. So if you see, I'm dividing this number with this to take the percentage of this keyword based on the total exact search volumes, the sum of all of these keywords. So this the number that is here, like let's say this is 53%. This means that this keyword is, if you put all of the filters and this is the final list that you got, this shows that this keyword is 53% important for you to rank on this keyword, right? This one is 11% important. So this shows that this keyword is basically contributing 11% on the sales of these competitors, right? So this depends on the filters, how you use the filters. It's not like this is 100% true. This can be 100% or maybe like 90% true if you put the filters correctly. If you would see that this has search volume of 44, this means this keyword is not that much important as compared to this one, and you would see that this has the total contribution of 0.3% based on the filters that we have put here. So how do we put the filters? If you would see that there are two filters over here. The one with the column name as keyword. So we have put the formula in the filter here, and second one is on the exact search volume. So basically, if I need, let's say I only want the keywords with search volume 1000 and above, I'll put the 1000 here, hit enter, and then to make sure that filter is applied, you need to click on this filter icon and then hit OK, and you'll see that we only got 3 keywords with search volume 1000 and above. If I put here the 10, and I again need to click on this filter icon and hit OK, and you will see that earlier I was getting 21 keywords, oh, sorry, 17 keywords. Now I'm getting 21 keywords because and the total search volume you can find here. So yes, this is how you would be putting the exact search volume, but this keyword filter is the most important filter here. You need to understand this because if you don't understand this, you won't be able to use the sheet properly. So this is the filter that I'm using here. So if you will see that I have put the filter formula here, count if, and this formula here. So let's not confuse this, but I'll try to simply show you like how we can use this. So let's take an example here. For example, I want my product to have 454 monthly sales, right? So I'll put the target for my reference here. So 400, let's say, and 50 sales that I want per month. So this is my main competitor, right? What I can do, I can put highlight this one. So I know that this is my main competitor. Let's say my product is same as this one, and I need the 454 sales for my product, right? So we know that the 80 to 90% of the sales occur for the top 10 to 15 to 20 number of keywords. 10 to 20 number of organic competitors are the sponsored ones. So we know that the sales occur at the top of search results. So what we'll do using this sheet, we'll use some of the filters here and try to find only the number of keywords on which this competitor is ranked between 1 and position 10. Since I have put the relevant position here as 10 and need to use a filter, what it will do, it will find all of the keywords on which this competitor is ranked between 1 and 10. How do I need to do that? I need to click on this filter icon over the keyword here and you need to find the name of the column. So this is the column K. And if you're putting on one column, you just simply need to put the K19 here. So 19 is the, you'll see that the keywords are starting from 19 here. So I put the column name and the row name as like row number. This is K19. So what I did here is I put I set my competitor as K19. My competitor is basically in the column K. So here you can see that I put the K and the keywords are starting from 19. So this is basically the cell. So I'll be putting the filter on this column and tell this Google Sheet that all of these numbers should be less than what's in the P8. So the P8 is this number, right? And this should be greater than 0. If I hit OK, you will see that I'll be getting only the keywords for which the search volume is minimum 10, and only this competitor is ranked between 1 and 10 position, organic positions. So if you would see, I only got 20 number of keywords for which this competitor is ranked between 1 and I'm considering this one as my main competitor. I highlighted this. It's not necessary to highlight, but I'm just highlighting for my own reference. So I need to edit the formula. So let's say this one is in the column L. I need to click on here. Instead of K19, I need to put L19. What this will do, this will take this as my main competitor and get me all of the keywords on which this competitor is ranked between 1 and 20 positions. Hit OK. And you'll see that I get a list of all of the keywords on which this competitor is ranked between 1 and 20. So let's say I want the number of keywords on which this competitor is ranked between 1 and 10. I need to simply put the 10 relevant positions here, click on this icon and hit OK, and it will apply the formula on this column, right? So I got 27 number of keywords with the total sum of total search volume as 6899. And I already got a list of keywords that I can use in my product listing and try to run advertisements on these keywords and rank for those keywords. I know that these keywords are important because this competitor is ranked on all of these keywords between 1 and 10 positions. Let's say I want to put a filter on 3 of these keywords. So I want I want all of these 3 competitors ranked between 1 and 10. So I put the 10 here, and we need to find the name of the column. So the column name is F, G, and H. What I need to do is I need to edit this formula here and put F19 to H19. So what this will do is this will apply the filter on all of these 3 columns, right? If I hit OK, you'll see that this will basically what this filter does is this is applied on these 3 columns, but the filter is in a way that at least one of these 3 is ranked between 1 and 3 positions. If I want all of these 3, what I can do is edit the filter, put the number 2 here, so it will apply this will apply on all of these 3 competitors, right? So if I hit OK, now you would see that all of these 3 competitors are ranked organically for these keywords between 1 and 10 positions. So if you would see, I got a list of 47 number of keywords on which all of these 3 competitors are ranked between 1 and 10 position. Let's say if I put the number 5 here, what this will do is this will get me the list of keywords on which these 3 are ranked between 1 and 5 positions. I just need to hit on this icon and hit OK. So you will see that I got the 13 keywords on which these 3 competitors are at least ranked between 1 and 5 positions. So this is how you need to use. You need to decide decide your competitor, and then use some of the filters here to find the exact keywords that you will be using in your PPC advertisements and you'll be using in your product listing. So just a quick the last formula, like let me give you a last example here. So let's say all of these are my competitors from starting from F to L. I need to click on here, put the filter from F to L19 and put it here as 0. So what this will do is this will be applied from F19 to L19. That means this will be applied from F, G, H, I, J, K, and L. That means all of these are our competitors. And greater than 0 tells me that, tells this formula that at least one of these 7 competitors should be ranking between 1 and this 5 position. So if you would hit OK, I got 207 keywords because now this is applied on these 7 competitors, and at least one of them should be ranked between 1 and 5. So if I want all of these should be ranking between, let's say, like 1 to 40 positions, what I'll do, I'll count the number of competitors: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 number of competitors. I need to put the 6 here, the one less, and hit OK. So you would see that now I got a list of 29 keywords on which all of these competitors are ranking between 1 and 40 positions, right? It's not like there are a few of the other things that we are getting here. Let's say we can decide how many total number of cells we need to get. Let's say I want to get at least 1000 cells. I can take a competitor from here. Like let's say this, I can take this as my main competitor. And what I can do is I can use this filter to find the keywords for only this competitor, right? This individual contribution shows me how much this particular keyword is contributing to the sales, to the total searches for this exact competitor. right? So this is simply a list, the count number. So you do not need to do anything with this. And yeah, we are good with this. So this is how you can create this sheet and use some of these filters to exactly find the keywords based on exact keywords for your product listing, as well as use these keywords in your PPC advertisements. Thank you.